Hey everyone, I'm Parisa, and today I'm taking you on a journey through my daily life, where coffee fuels my creativity and nature inspires my art. My mornings start with a fresh brew and a breath of fresh air. Just me, my coffee, and the sounds of nature.
You want coffee? 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 Are you ready? No, I'm not ready.
I'm ready, let's go. Being outside, I'm constantly inspired by the colors and textures that surround me. Look at these vibrant greens. They are definitely find their way onto my canvas. With my morning dose of inspiration, it's time to head back to the studio and start creating. I'm working on a piece that reflects my morning walk. I'm not painting the exact scene I saw this morning. Instead, I'm channeling the feelings and colors nature evoked into my own imagined landscape. Art is not just about the final product, it's about the journey. There are moments of doubt, but that's where the real magic happens. Let's create some magic. real talk. I didn't sleep much last night, and last week was insanely busy. So I was so tired, and maybe you can see it still in my eyes. But I did my makeup, and you hopefully can tell it. Fake it till you make it, right? Anyway, I know if I just sit around, my mood's gonna crash by the evening. So let's get up, get moving, and make today count. Here is the final artwork. It reflects my morning coffee moments and the nature beauty around me. Plus, I've added touches inspired by those pink and purple sunsets I love so much. For my first landscape piece, I think it turned out really well and it truly resonates with me. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey. Art is not just about the final product, it's about the process, the exploration, and the emotions we experience along the way. I'd love to hear from you. What sparks your creativity? Is it a morning ritual, a walk in nature, or perhaps a favorite color palette? Share your inspirations in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Your support means the world to me and keep this creative community thriving. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.